I could not wait to get into this package. So this is the Mystery Pack in Motion Edition from Etchr. Oh, the limited mix watercolor paint set. Like, those are beautiful colors. I can't wait to swatch those. And it's plein air season, so... Oh, it's plein air season. So, travel brushes. I'm excited to look at those. Let me get all this out and we'll go through it. So it looks like it is a satchel. Looks like you could fit an A5 sketchbook in here. Okay, so it looks like this is a portable easel. So you put your pens, maybe your watercolor. All right, let me go through this and we'll set this up. The perfect sketchbook. Look at the beautiful color. I love that. Let's look at the travel brushes. Oh, it matches. Look at that. Oh, that is pretty. Let's see what they look like. Oh, look at that wooden handle. Are they all the same size? Let's see. Oh no, they're not. Look at that fine tip. Okay, let's look at these. How do you get in here? Okay. I don't want to mess my box up. I love a good box. Okay, I got it. I love these little tins that they use because you can use a magnet with them. Look at the colors. Let's get this all out and let's set this up and see what colors we have. The sketchbook paper is cold press, but look at the deckled edge. That is so pretty, and it lays pretty flat. That is really nice paper. And take all of the paper off of these. These just look like little gemstones to me. I'd rather have paint than gemstones, to be honest with you. Let's see. Oh, look how pretty that color is. Fresh green. Beautiful. Persian blue. Crimson red. That looks, is that what it says? No. Crimson flame. Yeah, that looks like it has a little orange. Earth orange. And sunlit yellow. Ooh, look how bright. That is the perfect palette for spring to take out. So we have that size tip. We have this one. Oh wow, look how tiny. Can you see? Wow. You really could get some detail with that. And then lastly, we have the larger one. So pretty. And then you can put the cap on the end, and then it's a full-size paintbrush. I love that. Let's move all of this out of the way and let's test our palette. I probably should have washed my brush with soap first, but I didn't. That is such a pretty color. Let's try the green. A little blue. Let's see if it'll bleed into that. Look at that. That is a beautiful, bring you down. See if we can get a little purple. I think this is more orange, so it's creating a darker, looks like a form of a dark violet. That is really, those are pretty colors. Let's do the last one. Let's take this look how tiny that is. Okay, let me set up the nano satchel. Just love all of this. That is so exciting. Love it. And I think I'm going to actually put my stickers in my sketchbook. I have a little spray bottle, a travel brush, some fine liners, and paper towels, and then in the pocket, and you can tell that this is so durable. I mean, it's thick, but it's actually really lightweight. I have my travel sketchbook, my travel brushes, and my little palette. So let's see how this setup works. So this is it. This is my travel easel. I'm so excited. I actually glued a little magnet here, and I've put my paints there so they won't fall off. And here's my travel sketchbook, and then when I want something, I just reach underneath, and there you go. Mystery kit, a success.